Okay, so I've got a couple of puzzles here. One is the Rubik's Twist, and this is a Ramka or Ramka. It's a puzzle from Russia. So I'll show you this Rubik's Twist first. Last night I did actually make it into this particular shape. I think it kind of looks like a piece of candy in a wrapper. And then just before I did a couple of random turns on it, not really thinking about it much, and I accidentally made this musical note. So I'll show you what it's like when it's unfolded. So there it is. You can see on this side and the other side it's got different colours, and then on these sides it's grey and black. So I didn't bother with doing an unboxing video on this because it just didn't really seem worth doing an unboxing video on just one 24-piece magic snake. If I had other things to unbox as well, then it would feel worth it, but just this on its own, it didn't really seem worth it. On each end it says Rubik's Twist there. So let's open up this package. So this is from a guy called Pluton on the Twisted Puzzles forum, and inside should be a Ramka or Ramka from Russia. Oh wow, it's way smaller than I was expecting it to be. That's crazy. It's really interesting the way he's packaged it. He's kind of shaped the cardboard into the same shape as the puzzle itself. And so there is the puzzle. So these come in a few different colours, and it's a tile sliding puzzle, and I think that's a price on it there. Is that 80 something? And I guess maybe that's the company logo. So this was made in 1988, and you can slide the tiles left and right, and you can move them up and down as well with this thing. So I'm not really sure how this is going to compare, like in difficulty, to other tile sliding puzzles. But yeah, you can see it's solved right now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, let's scramble this. So the tiles are sticking a little bit. But I think it's probably just like, because the tiles, they do look a bit dirty, like dusty, so it's probably dust and dirt which might be making the tiles difficult to slide. So maybe I could kind of clean it up, maybe put a little bit of lube into the tiles and they'll move better. There you can see I can't move them left or right because there's too many in there. Try and move this 9 over. Alright, so I guess that will do. It's not fully scrambled, I don't think, really. I don't know. But yeah, so that is the Ramka. It's from Russia, made in 1988. And yeah, these are quite rare. You don't really see them on eBay. It's quite, well, you do, but it's very rare to see them on eBay. And I bought this for a really reasonable price as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.